close, I got room to breathe. Been a long chase, but at last I'm free. These open woods, I knew I could find peace here. Nothing like the city where I got tired of the running, the catching up. I got hungry for the stunning high mountain tops. So I made some plans, some dreams to catch, to promised lands, to find my path, see the planet from greater heights. I have found a place out of time and space, far from city lights, up on greater heights.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests of honor. Welcome to our special edition, version 2 of Father's Day Celebration 2022. Guys, this is your host, Nila Enchanted at Mama Ninja's Kitchen. Welcome to one and all, to my viewers, returning viewers, and new guests. Welcome to you. I hope that you will consider joining this amazing, adventurous family. At Mama Ninja's Kitchen, there is never a dull moment because every day is a life of amazing adventure. So guys, please make yourself comfortable with your favorite beverage as I present to you version 2 of Father's Day Celebration 2022. This version comprises of a delicacy, yes, a befitting kingly platter for the king dinner. Yes, a befitting kingly platter for the king's dinner. The king's dinner is no one else than my beloved husband. Yes, I am using this version 2 to honor him. And of course, what do I have to present to my king? What do I have to present to my king? In this platter, you will find some Haiwaiin Spring Salad, seasoned fried croaker fish, and coconut rice. Indeed, a finger-licking, mouth-watering delicacy. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yes, guys, come with me on this ride to see how this was all put together. I hope you will gain some value in this video. And please, if you do like this video, be sure to support me and this channel's growth by hitting on that like button, thumbs up, smash the thumbs up, and subscribe to join this amazing family so you do not miss out on any of our upcoming upload. Because at Mama Ninja's Kitchen, there is never a dull moment. So guys, let's celebrate the king in your life. In my case, my husband. Happy Father's Day to my husband and to all men around the globe. Happy Father's Day. Here I am working on the spicy fried croaker fish. As you can see, it is bubbling in the oil. Yes, what a delightful delicacy to have.
In a safe place, I got room to breathe. But at last I'm free. These days I knew I could find peace here. Nothing like the city where I got tired of running. They catching up. I got hunger for the stunning. High mountain tops. So I made some plans, some dreams to catch, and promised lands to find my path, see the planet from greater heights. I have found a place out of time and space, far from city lights.
Alright guys,
Up on greater heights.
see our tomato is dry. Now we're going to add the rice.
Get the rush in, heaven only knows. I'm all alone, still lying far from lonely. On a journey, on a winding road. Tired of the running, they're catching up.
Okay, I need to
I
add
got
in
hunger
the
for the
seasoning.
sunny high mountain tops. So I made some plans, some dreams to catch, to promised lands, to find my path, see the planet from greater heights. I have found a place out of time and space,
Give this a chopping.
far from city lights.
Get it really fine.
Up on greater heights.
Goes right in.
I'm flying alone now. And nothing is holding me down now. I'm flying alone now. And nothing is holding me down.
One thing with coconut rice is that because of the creaminess of the coconut, it gets toasted at the bottom. And that is actually, that toasted coconut infuses a lot of flavor into the rice. So
Far from city lights, up on greater heights. In a safe place, I got room to breathe. Been a long chase, but at last I'm free. this open woods, I knew I could find peace here. Nothing like the city where I got tired of the running, the catching up. I got hungry for the stunning high mountain tops. So I made some plans, some dreams to catch, to promised lands, to find my path, see the planet from greater heights. I have found a place out of time and space, far from city lights, up on greater heights. See the blue sky, feel the wind that blows, get the rush in, heaven only knows. I'm all alone, still lying far from lonely, on a journey, on a winding road. Got tired of the running, the catching up. I got hungry for the stunning high mountain tops. So I made some plans, some dreams to catch, to promised lands, to find my path, see the planet from greater heights. I have found a place out of time and space, far from city lights, up on greater heights. And I'm flying, I'm flying, I'm flying alone now. And nothing, no nothing is holding me down now. I'm flying, I'm flying, I'm flying alone now. And nothing, no nothing is holding me down now.
Anytime, any place, you stand beside me and wait. I sing hallelujah. I bring my burden again to my Father and my friend. I sing hallelujah. Anytime, any place, you stand beside me and wait. I sing hallelujah. I bring my burden again to my Father and my friend. I sing hallelujah. Will you fill me here and now on this holy ground? Will you fill me here and now on this holy ground? Will you fill me here and now on this holy ground? Will you fill me here and now on this holy ground? Will you fill me here and now on this holy ground? Will you fill me here and now on this holy ground? Will you fill me here and now on this holy ground? Will you fill me here and now on this holy ground? Will you fill me here and now on this holy ground? Will you fill me here and now on this holy ground? Will you fill me here and now on this holy ground? Will you fill me here and now on this holy ground? Will you fill me here and now on this holy ground? Will you fill me here and now on this holy ground? Will you fill me here and now on this holy ground? Will you fill me here and now on this holy ground? Will you fill me here and now on this holy ground? Will you fill me here and now on this holy ground? Will you fill me here and now on this holy ground? Will you fill me here and now on this holy ground? Will you fill me here and now on this holy ground? Will you fill me here and now on this holy ground? Will you fill me here and now on this holy ground? Will you fill me here and now on this holy ground? Will you fill me here and now Your peace surrounds me.